Good afternoon, P1 students. How are you today? We're getting close, and tomorrow will be our last day. Tomorrow is going to be our potluck day. Okay, so tomorrow we'll just have play games and maybe a review a little bit for our previous topics. So for today, so your last day, you're going to have an assessment, right? An assignment, and we're going to check your progress about sounds. Right, so before we check our progress, um, let's do first our learning targets, okay? So today is Thursday and it's the 13th of August 2020. And for our learning objective is I can answer page 27 of my science activity book. So for your assignment today, you're going to answer this page. What's page again? 27. What you're going to do is you're going to draw one picture that is loud, that can make a loud sound, right? And another one, draw a picture that has a soft sound. In the previous class, teachers share you a link about examples of sound, right? Things that are soft sound, we have the sound of some animals like the bird, like the bee. Sometimes it could be like the dragonfly, right? The wind, the wave from the sea or ocean. Loud sounds are like banging on the door, alarm clock, the noise from the cars. So those are examples of loud noises or loud sound. All right, so again, for your assignment, you're going to draw one picture of a loud sound that can produce a loud sound or that can make a loud sound and hear a soft sound or quiet sound. And for today, let's review our progress. So this is page 58 of your book. So here, there's a picture of a car, a flower, a balloon, a book, a chair, a horse, a guitar, and I think this is a TV or a phone, I think, or a computer. So which of these makes sounds you can hear? So which of these things that you think will make sound, right? Cars. Cars make sound? Yes. Flowers make sound? No. Balloons make sound? No. Book makes sound? No. A chair makes sound? No. How about a horse? Neigh! A horse makes sound, right? How about a guitar? Can a guitar make a sound when you play it? Yes. It will not play unless someone will play it, right? But if someone will play it, it can make a sound. How about a TV? If the TV is on, will it make a sound? Yes. So here, what are the things that make sound that we can hear? We have the car, the animal horse, a guitar when it's played, and also the TV. All right, thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow. Yay! Bye bye.